Netflix won't play. You're seeing Error U7353 and nothing works? Don't worry. I'll show you how to fix it in just 30 seconds. Error U7353 is a Netflix playback error that completely blocks streaming and offline downloads on Windows 10 and 11. It's caused by corrupted app data, outdated Windows, or DRM issues. This error belongs to the 7353 family, which includes M7353, D7353, and several variants. Interestingly, Netflix has no dedicated official help page for U7353 specifically.
Solution 1. The most effective fix. Reset the Netflix app. Press Windows plus R, type MS Settings: Apps Features, and press Enter. Find Netflix in the list, click Advanced Options, then click Reset. This clears all corrupted app data. Restart your PC and try Netflix again. This fixes most U7353 cases.
Solution 2. Clear Netflix cookies. Open your browser and go to netflix.com/clearcookies. This will sign you out of your account. Sign back in with your credentials and test playback. This quick fix works for browser-based playback issues.
Solution 3. Update Windows. Go to Start Settings, then Windows Update. Click Check for Updates and install all available updates. Then restart your PC. Note that Windows XP, Vista 7, and 8.1 are no longer supported by Netflix. This fix is officially recommended by Netflix.
Solution 4. Flush DNS and change DNS servers. Open Command Prompt as administrator and type ipconfig/flush DNS. This clears your DNS cache. Next, change your DNS to Google DNS. Preferred server 8.8.8.8, alternate server 8.8.4. This fixes DNS-related playback issues reported by users in India and other regions. Solution 5. Uninstall and reinstall Netflix. Go to Settings, Apps, find Netflix, and uninstall it. Restart your PC to clear all cached data. Then open Microsoft Store, search for Netflix, and reinstall it. This fixes corrupted app installation issues.
Solution 5B. For Windows N and KN editions only. Check if you have an N edition by going to Settings, System, About, and looking for N in the edition name. If you do, install the Media Feature Pack. Go to Settings, Apps, Optional Features, click Add a Feature, search for Media Feature Pack, install it, and restart your PC. This is critical for European users and Parallels VM users.
Solution 5CP for Edge browser users. Type edge://flags in the address bar. Search for PlayReady. Change the PlayReady DRM flag to disabled. Restart Edge and test Netflix. This fixes D7353-5101 errors that appear after Edge browser updates. Solution 6. Disable browser extensions. Type Chrome://extensions in the address bar. Disable all extensions, especially ad blockers, VPN extensions, and language learning overlays like LLN. Test Netflix, then re-enable extensions one by one to find the culprit. This is officially confirmed by Netflix Help Center.
Here are 4 more solutions. Solution 7. Update your graphics drivers through Device Manager. Solution 8. Disconnect any secondary displays or external monitors and test on your primary display. Solution 9. Temporarily disable your antivirus software and add Netflix to the whitelist. Solution 10. Disable any active VPN or proxy and test on a direct connection. All these solutions are verified across multiple sources. So why does U7353 happen? The main causes are corrupted app data from incomplete updates or abrupt shutdowns, DRM failures where the PlayReady or Widevine trust chain is broken, and DNS issues from ISP failures. Here's a key insight. Netflix has no dedicated official help page for U7353. Users must rely on community forums and third-party guides. The error is grouped under the broader M7353 and D7353 family. This research was verified across 19 sources including Netflix Help Center and Microsoft Q&A.
Error U7353 fixed. If this video helped you fix Netflix Error U7353, please like, subscribe, and comment below. This video is for informational purposes only. All information was verified across multiple authoritative sources. Thanks for watching.